Hello guys, welcome. In our last video, we built up Mikon's homepage, our landing page, as it is sometimes called, because it is the page a user first lands on when they come to our website. Now we're going to build out the rest of our pages. Once we have this one saved, then we can go back, and here it is, our home page. Now we want to create a new page, which is the about page. So this is a template, and I'm just going to click on this existing or this existing template here. All right, so this is the about. We don't need to set this as anything since it is a URL. Once they click on it, it's going to lead to this about page. Now let's save our page. Now you would see that once we click on this about, it leads us to this one because we've already specified in the link that the once the about is clicked, it should lead to this page. Now we need a navigation bar so that we're able to navigate through our web page. So just go back to the block, and let me teach you one cool thing. Let us go back first. This is our home page, and this header, I'm just going to make it a reusable section so that I'm able to use it in every of my page. So I'm going to click on it and reusable section, and you see here this section can be reused in other pages. I'm going to tick, and the section name is navigation. I'm going to save it. All right, great. Now we can go back to our about page, and all blocks, reusable sections, navigation. Now this is our navigation. As we've done before, we can just scroll up. Yeah, perfect. Now what do we need here? Okay, the background image. Let us change the background image. Let us change it to something basic. Let's try this. Okay, this seems cool enough. Our story. Should I make it our story or my story since it is my personal website? All right, guys. I trust you to come up with something more creative, but I'm just going to leave this right here because I don't know what else to write. So I think I'm going to put the same image as I had. I'm going to put one image. I'm going to call it. I'm going to go right ahead. This image is still loading up. All right, great. I'm going to call edit this section. All right, let's just delete everything. Okay, this is all right. Great. I could. I'm going to use another image from. I'm going to use what image can I use? I'm going to use this. Great, great. So I'm going to write I style, not styled, style. All these are not necessarily true, guys. I'm just making things up. Though I do code, but I style, I write, I I'm just making things up. So great. I style. And for those who are just joining this video, or if you didn't hear me, this Grammarly doesn't come out of the box with Botamp. It is an extension I installed with Chrome. So I'm just going to go right ahead and delete this section because I am done. And yeah, if you do have metrics that you want, I want this background. This background is kind of blue. I want it to be white. So I'm just going to go here and make it white. I'm not getting that white color. Okay, this should be white. Um, Still that blue color. I want it to be white. So this should be white. Okay. I think we're having that issue when it wasn't loading up immediately like we wanted that last time, and we have to give it a minute. All right, useful marketing tips. I don't need this. I'll just come here and try to change this background color again, and hopefully this one works. All right, cool. Then I have to change the text to black. Okay, I have to highlight the text first. I have to highlight them. I don't want the background. I want the background to be transparent. All right, great. Now, guys, this little icon here is the customer service. You click on it, and yeah, a chat box opens where you can contact the customer service care. I just wanted you to know that. So now, our subscribe is where you can, like I said, have people subscribe to your newsletter of sorts, but I don't have one at the moment. But this looks aesthetic, so I'm going to leave it. I don't want the background to be what I add at the home page. I want it to have a consistent theme. So I'm going to leave that, and I'm going to change the font back to a white color. Awesome. Now let's try to change this back to white. This is white, yeah. I think when custom codes come like this, it's a bit difficult to change them since they're like a template, and I don't want to lose all these things. So I'm just going to copy it somewhere. I'm going to copy it somewhere. Let's see. Let's try one more time if I have to. Unfortunately, get rid of it because I really don't like the blue. It is not a consistent thing. Yeah, I think I have to get rid of this, and I'll just go here to this block of code, and I'm just going to duplicate here. Cool. So as you guys can see, I have duplicated it. I can move this. Okay. Let's see if the block has something for me. Content. I'm looking for one with an image on the left and content on the right. But I think that's a pre-built template and it doesn't come with it. So I'm going to import this and I'm going to move it up. Yes, so I'm going to replace this image once again. So guys, you see how I'm just picking and choosing and playing with whatever I want. That's how easy it is to have a mail. Oh, my network went off, so that is why it didn't load. So I'm going to try to connect back to my network quickly. Okay, it's back on. So yeah, I'm going to change this image. Going to open it. Yeah, awesome. So I don't need these double tabs. I don't think it's kind of cool. I can just write about me in two different places, but I don't need it right now. So I'm just going to delete one of it. And tab one, I also going to delete that. I just need an heading, and I'm going to call this heading I style like I previously had. And I'm going to change this to I actually like that. I'm typing real time and I'm seeing the changes. Not like I have to click on save and see how it appears here. So I can see what I'm doing wrong and what I'm doing right. I really like that. I'm just selling all the buzzwords here. So yeah, I'm going to delete this button because I don't really want it. Okay, I have one. I'm going to delete this also. I don't need to duplicate anymore. And number of customers acquired for this service. Do I need it right now? Do I need it right now? Let's see. I'm an upcoming business, so I don't need this right now, and I'm just going to go right ahead and delete this and pause my video because I do need to connect it to a system. So once I save that, and I go to my load up my about page, we have an about section. We have an about section. Our website is coming together quite nicely, really, really nicely. Yeah, guys. So I do want to see if you've started working on something, how your website looks like, and yeah, yeah, this is nice. So yeah, stay tuned to the next video. We're going to work on our contact section, our blog post, and shop my taste. The catalog should come last. So see you around, guys.